In today's video, we're going to be reviewing IONOS and answer a very simple question. Is this actually the cheapest hosting option that actually truly still works? What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been comparing hosting platforms and just feeling stuck between saving money or choosing something more reliable, this is something you really need to get clear on, because hosting is one of those decisions that feels pretty small at first, but it actually impacts everything from how fast your site loads to how easy it is to manage and grow later on. So in this video, we're going to break down what IONOS actually is, where it performs well, and where it also falls short, and whether it actually makes sense for you depending on what stage you're in, so you can make the decision without questioning yourself and overthinking it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so let's start off with the basics and talk about what IONOS actually is. So IONOS is a web hosting provider that gives you pretty much everything you need to get a website online in one place. That includes domain registration, hosting, email, and then basic website tools. It's really designed to be an all-in-one solution, especially for beginners who don't want to piece together multiple platforms just to launch a site. You can use it to host a WordPress site, build a simple website using their own builder, or manage a domain and email setup for your business. The main appeal here is that it keeps things simple and affordable, which is why a lot of people consider it when they're just getting started and don't want to invest heavily upfront. So IONOS focuses on giving you the essentials without overwhelming you with too many options, and one of the biggest features is its low entry pricing, which just makes it accessible if you're starting from zero. It includes hosting and domain management in one dashboard, which means you don't need to connect multiple services just to get your site live. It also offers different hosting types like shared hosting and WordPress hosting, so you can choose something simple and then upgrade later on if you need to. You also get email hosting, which allows you to create a professional email using your domain, and there's a built-in website builder if you don't want to deal with the WordPress at all. Overall, the features are built around simplicity and affordability rather than advanced control. Let's talk about first impressions. So when you first log into IONOS, one of the things you'll notice is that it feels a little different compared to other hosting platforms. And this is something people either adjust to or find slightly frustrating at first. The dashboard is not always as intuitive and things aren't always where you expect them to be, especially if you've used other hosting providers before. It's not complicated, but it just requires some learning and a bit of clicking around to get familiar. Once you understand the layout, it becomes easier to use, but the first impression is usually that it's not as clean or straightforward as some other platforms. Next, we're going to talk about performance and reliability. This is where the real question comes in, because your price doesn't matter if your site doesn't perform well. And the truth is that IONOS works, but it works within a certain range. If you're running a simple website, a blog, or a small business site, it handles that without major issues, and your page is going to load and function the way you expect. But as your site starts to become more complex or starts getting more traffic, you may begin to notice some limitations, especially in shared hosting environments where resources are spread across multiple users. It's not that it's unreliable at all, it's just not built for high demand performance. So it's just really important to match your expectations with what you're actually building. But for beginners, the price and the ease of use are really, really good. Now that brings us into ease of use. So IONOS is designed for beginners. The setup process is simple, and you can get your site online without a lot of technical steps. But again, like I mentioned, sometimes navigating the dashboard just takes some time to get used to, but that's honestly with any new system that you're using. Once you get comfortable, it becomes very, very easy to use. But once you log in and get used to everything, it's going to feel super easy and intuitive. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about pricing. So if you want to go ahead and get started with IONOS, we do have a link down in the description below. So as you can see, you can save 94% by using our link. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down a bit and you can see all of the different pricing. Okay, so even the starter plan, again, it's $1 per month with a 1-year term, and then after that it goes to $14 a month. But for your first year while you're building your business, saving 94% is honestly insane. And at $1 a month, $12 for a year, that's insane. So with this option, you get the intuitive website editing with simple design options, you get a free domain for a year, you get a professional email address with a 2 GB inbox, and then it includes 10 GB web space and 10 pages. I have not seen anything on the market with this low of a price. It's really a really good deal, especially for your first year. Then we've got the Plus plan. So this is just $1 a month for the first year. And it does go up to $20 a month after that, but again, very, very reasonable. With this, you can go ahead and again, use their AI website builder. You've got advanced design options, free domain for a year, more space with email and just pages, site analytics, integrated online booking tool, AI text generation, generator and AI text improver, professional design with AI generator, AI SEO text generator. So even more AI features here. Then we've got the Pro plan, which is $17 per month, again with a 1-year term, and this is saving you 47%. You get everything in the Plus plan, but you also get unlimited space and 50 gigabytes for your email inbox, and then also as a bonus, SEO optimization with Ranking Coach Standard. So again, you can choose the plan that best fits your needs, but for the starter and Plus plan, $1 per month for the first year is pretty crazy. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about who IONOS is best for. So IONOS is best for people who are just getting started and want a simple, low-cost way to get online without a super complicated setup. If you're building your first website, testing an idea, or creating a basic business site, it really and truly gives you everything you need to get up and running, especially with their AI features. It's also a great fit if you're not super technical and just want something that handles most of the setup for you. Small business owners who need a simple online presence can really use it without issues, especially if you're not expecting heavy traffic or complex functionality right away. Now let's talk about where it can fall short, because I really want you to have all of your information when making your decision. So IONOS can start to show its limitation when your needs grow beyond the basics. And this is where, again, you need to be honest about what you're building. The dashboard can feel a bit less intuitive compared to other platforms, which can slow you down if you're trying to move quickly. Performance is great, but only if you're building a smaller site. It's really not ideal for majorly high traffic or more advanced setups. These aren't deal breakers, but they are trade-offs that do come with a lower price point. So again, just some things to keep in mind. Now let's dive into some of the pros and cons so you can make your final decision. So one of the biggest advantages of IONOS is its affordability, which makes it one of the easiest ways to get started without a large investment upfront. It also just keeps everything in one place so you don't need to manage multiple tools. It's really accessible for beginners and just gives you a straightforward way to launch a site without needing advanced knowledge. Now on the downside, performance is limited for more demanding websites, and the pricing structure does change over time, which means it's important that you do think beyond the initial cost. Okay, before we wrap up, I did want to touch on some bonus tips. So one simple tip is to think about your timeline before choosing hosting like IONOS, because if you know you're just getting started and want to test something quickly, a lower cost option absolutely makes sense. But if you already know you're going to rely heavily on your website, it might be worth planning your next steps early so you're not rebuilding anything later. Another tip is to keep your site as lightweight as possible when using a hosting plan like this, because the way your site is built has a huge impact on performance. So avoiding unnecessary plugins, large images, and overly complex layouts are going to help your site run so much smoother. You also just want to log into your dashboard regularly in the beginning to get familiar with where everything is, because once you understand the layout, it's going to become so much easier to manage and you won't feel stuck when you need to make changes. And finally, don't overthink your first hosting decision, because you can always switch later on. So the goal is just to get started, learn how everything works, and build from there. If your goal is to get a website online quickly and keep your costs low, IONOS is such a solid option and does what it needs to do without adding unnecessary complexity. It's a great fit for beginners, simple websites, and early stage projects where you just need something that works. If you're building something more advanced or expect your site to grow quickly, you may eventually want something with more flexibility and performance. It really comes down to whether you need something simple right now or something that can handle more later on. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to choose the right hosting platform, especially when everything sounds similar and pricing can be confusing, but the truth is you don't need the perfect option, you just need the right one for where you are right now. If you want to go ahead and check out IONOS, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your first website with simple tools and easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.